ride. Almost at the club, baby.
What's going on today, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Just watching the video here with me on F54 and more. As you see, we've got a 2003 Honda Civic. We're going to be changing the radiator on it. I've got a couple connections already undone and the car already jacked up. Coolant already drained because I just changed engine on it. And of course, it runs now because, you know, I kind of know what I'm doing. But anyway, I digress. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the front bumper off. One connection here. Ow, I just stabbed myself. Couple connections here. And then another one on this side. So I'm going to pull the bumper off and then we'll get to pulling the radiator. Okay, we got old radiator, new radiator here, obviously. As you can see, the connections are all the same. You got the two, the two transmission line hoses, connections. The lower radiator hose, man, that wasn't even installed properly, jeez. So make sure to do that properly. All this other stuff, the fans, everything bolts up properly. So what I'm gonna do is swap over everything, adjust these lines so they're just like that, so that they'll go on properly. Just loosen this, move it around, tighten it back or whatever. So I'm gonna do all that now, and then go ahead and get ready to drop it in because it's hot in here. So let me get this done. Alright, bumper is back on. Put some coolant in here. Hoses are back on. Fans are back connected. And the, down here, can't really see it, but the transmission lines are back on. So this is a relatively easy one. Just take off the bumper, pull those brackets. You saw the ones that I put back in. I still got to get a better clip for this one right here because I don't like that one. But, so yeah, he didn't bring the cap yet. So I have to wait to put on the cap. That's the only thing that's holding me up from driving this car out of here and putting Nipsey back inside. But yeah, so radiator is pretty much done. Quick, simple radiator job. Alright, that's going to be the end of this video. Hope it helps somebody. Quick radiator change on 2003 Honda Civic. So if you haven't already done so, please be sure to like, subscribe, drop comment, turn on notifications, and hit that share button. I hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Catch you guys in the next video. It's hot. Peace.